Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is May 17th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Palantir is up 32 cents. That's 3.98%. Closed at 836. Post market, we are up by 6 cents. Let's look at what we have here on the chart. So 2 days ago, we have broken back into this downward channel right here. So we came back into it. Almost came back out of it again yesterday, but now we are more within it. I guess this is nice. So we are still in this downward channel, short-term downward channel, and also into this longer-term downward channel. This is not a big bull trend now. We are now in two nested downward trends, and we are coming back up a little bit. Let's go see the 1 hour chart. Yeah, on the 1 hour chart, not much to tell today. We tried to go higher during the day, but we are still stopped. So on the 1 hour chart, we cannot get past 843. So 843 is an intraday resistance. And we have been trying to break that since May 13. So the stock is not able. So we are basically going sideways. And stochastic is still nice. Yes, it's clearly possible that we could go and reach $9. We could go and hug $9 at any point. Because we have stochastic over 60, that's in the realm of possibilities. And we also have DMI that's bullish on the 1 hour chart. It's entirely possible that we can move up again a little bit. Going back to the daily chart, so stochastic at 27, not too strong. MACD's not even crossed over, bullish and everything. We could be heading back to $9 or even that resistance right here if we have enough strength. And then we are going to have to see if we cave in or if we move back out. This should require us 4, 5, 6 days in order to see if we break this downward resistance. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.